we'll set the objective. This is basically our desired outcome. In our case, we want to measure how many people go to the pricing page from the CTA, so we'll set a custom objective based on page views. Since this is linked to our analytics account, we can choose the exact page we'll be measuring. Once this is set, simply name your objective anything you like. In our case, I've called it pricing page, and let's move on to the diagnostic tool I mentioned just before this. In my case, I set up analytics, but I didn't include the line of code in the snippet that would enable optimize. So we'll be seeing an error here. Now let's see how things look after I include that line of code. You can see that everything's set up, and we can head back. We're pretty much done here. You can leave the rest of the settings as they are and start your experience. Head to the top and press Start. Note that you won't be able to pause the experiment, and once you do stop it, you cannot resume it. At the end, you'll be able to see a report in Google Analytics. And remember guys, if you like this series on Google Optimize, I will be releasing more videos like this, more how-tos, more methods on A/B testing your copywriting. So definitely hit subscribe. I will be coming out with videos soon. And if you have any questions at all, just post them in the comments below and I will be happy to answer them.